trying on my BMW. I got my BMW. You know, I did this song, I swear to God. You gotta hear this, man. This is fucking hilarious. I used to go to this sauna, and it was a sauna for mentally and physically challenged people. In, not far from the CGV Theater. And I had a ball there, but when I first went there, the guy that ran the place, the head guy, the massage dude, the guy who took your tickets, he didn't really like me. I asked for a massage, he said $30. I know it's like 12, dude. It's $12 for a rub de strubba. You know? They touch your little things sometimes, but I don't mind.
That explains a lot.
It's all right. Nonetheless, $30 is not working for me. I considered him a little bit of a racist. He actually told me that it's $30 for me because I'm a big size. And I said, dude, there are big Koreans too. Anyway, nonetheless, we kind of got in each other's back a bit. He got fired, but he worked, I don't know, anyway, he was always there after that. But the guys who worked in the sauna, the hair guy, and the other guy who started taking the tickets, Lou, they really liked me. And all the mentally and physically challenged people who went there had a ball. Because that guy that was an asshole, he kept going there. But I instigated water fights. And we would fucking throw buckets of water in that dude. And we'd play with him, and he'd get all pissed off, but he couldn't tell us to shut up anymore. Because he used to always tell us to shut up, and he'd come and he'd stand in the door, and he'd stand there like a goddamn guardian, like a knight or something. And he'd just look at everyone and go, yo, mentally, physically, motherfuckers, get in order. Get in order now. There ain't none of that. So we started throwing water in that fucker. Oh God, I hung his little, he hung his little pink panties in the fucking dry sauna one day. And I went in there and I knew they were his. So of course I took them down and I put them on. And I paraded around the sauna and everyone had a ball. He was embarrassed, but everyone else had a ball. Nonetheless, this song I wrote while I was in that fucking sauna. And the guy, because the guy who cut the hair, that's the whole deal. The guy who cut the hair had this big gold chain and big gold watch. And I was driving on my motorbike one day down the street, and he pulled up in a fucking BMW. The guy who cuts the hair, shaves the shit in the fucking sauna, and pulls up in a BMW with his hot chick in the side, with his big gold Rolex hanging off the fucking edge of his car, looking at me like he's a homie, and going, yeah! Yeah, and I'm on my bike going, you're the fucking dude at the sauna, the old fucking guy with what the fuck are you doing in the BMW? I got my BMW, driving around my car, looking at you, looking at me, my BMW, got my big gold chain and my watch on the side, BMW, got my BMW, driving around my car by the CGV, got my girl on the side, my legs watching in my watch and my watch on the side, BMW, said I'm driving around my car, looking at you, looking at me, BMW, hey girl. Hear what I said, you wanna be somebody, you gotta have the cash. BMW. BMW, drive around in my car, looking at you, looking at me, BMW, drive around in my car, looking at you, looking at me, got my big old chain and my watch side, big old chain and my watch side, my BMW, got my girl on the side, yeah. I hit up the handoff beach. The guy pulled up in the BMW. I'm really drunk. I'm walking by, the singing their song. I say to them, I'm a BMW, say I'm driving around the car, you look at me and my BMW, yeah. They were like a
bunch of like 6 guys, man, muscle fucking down, you know, like big dudes. They want to fight. You can't be serious, man. They got their shirts off. They're fucking pulling them up. They want to fight with me about the BMW because I'm just singing this song, you know? BMW, BMW, and I'm driving around my car, looking at you, looking at me in my BMW, BMW, BMW. My good friend Russ come up to me, he tapped me on the back. He said, dude, man, you don't want none of that. Those big muscle boys, they all show. It's like they're BMWs. They don't want to fight you. You don't want to fight them. Let's go down to the beach and have a big wow. We have a good time just playing music and singing a song called BMW. Got my BMW, drinking a bit of the pond with my BMW. Got my necklace, big watch on the side. My girl sitting right next to me, yeah. I'm cruising down the CTV now, looking good in my BMW.
Oh, don't do that. Oh.
That's right. My little hip hop debut. Explosion. We made it, buddy.